Morris Nyanja, a seasoned blockchain developer. Hi everyone, can you hear me? Please help me in welcoming Morris Nyanja, a seasoned blockchain developer and also a web developer expert. Um, Morris is an engineer. Most of you know him, and he has developed successful application and tackled complex challenges with using blockchain technology. Is passionate about mentoring and inspiring developers, and he actively empowers individuals through community initiatives and speaking engagement. Yeah, let's give Morris a warm welcome. And sorry for we didn't keep time. We had some technical issues. Yeah, Morris, you're welcome.
So, hello guys, and sorry for my background. I'm currently cooking. So, I'm Morris Nyanja, quote unquote, aka Nutcase, blockchain dev, uh, in love with Solana as always, and Rust as my main language. So, since today is actually like building blocks for tomorrow, and the easier way in which I can actually bring you to speed in what I do is just to introduce to you everyone, and I mean everyone from like devs, people who love content, uh, people who love like everything you can do in terms using technology, from like writing tweets, writing blogs. I'm going to introduce you to like a place where you can actually earn and get paid in crypto. It's one of the best platforms all over the world, and I hope you guys are going to have like a blast. It's going to be something small because I prefer like talking maybe 5 or 6 minutes so that you guys can ask me as many questions as possible. So yeah, let me introduce to you Super Team An, and this is like one of the best platforms ever to get gigs. Uh, as we know, like currently the market is not that favorable to people who are not that crazy skilled. But the best thing is that with blockchain, on how like we have been trying to do all over the world, and here in Kenya as part of Solana Kenya, is we've been trying to like make people to get gigs and have like some short cash on them. Like let's say you can earn 20 $20, $200, and that's all. So let me just introduce you to like Super Team Ad, and let's see some of the projects in which like they hold. And I know anyone. The best thing about this, it has bits and pieces of anyone, so anyone can do them. Uh, Anyone, and when I mean anyone, you just have to like have drive and simple knowledge, and you can do anything. So yeah, let's get our hands dirty. So as the normal URL is like unsuperteam.fun. Best way you can look at it is just search Superteam and it'll actually like get you. Let's do that. I hope my internet will do me justice. So team and so yeah, you see, it's actually going to be like the first site that you get. And if you want to learn more about blockchain, we normally have a site. Unfortunately, it's currently under wraps, but you can look at it. Calyptus.co, where you're actually going to learn more about blockchain and whatnot. If you're into the website, there is this one. So, see, green updraft. Yeah. So this one, okay, second time. So this one, actually, it's more about like it teaches you smart contract development and security. And I hope people are going to join me into like moving to the blockchain world. It's really interesting concept, and it's kind of like quote unquote the future of finance. Whatnot. So these are some of the resources if someone will ask that I normally use. Uh, this one, okay, let me just eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. Uh, so best thing about this site, I hope it actually goes like, oh my god. So sorry for that, but you can actually check. So the best thing about this Calyptus is you can actually get hired through it. I wonder why is it? I think it's flagged maybe. And the best thing you can actually like uh, learn and earn. So mostly they normally like do maybe 50 or 40 USD, uh, which is like normally one of the best things ever. So this is the site. I hope it does the magic now. Or I think it's down. I'll actually have to. Yeah, this is the site. So this is more about Solana. This is one of the blockchains that I actually represent, and you're going to learn something different. That's Rust. But yeah, you can actually check about it. You can learn more about Ethereum or Solana. And the best thing about this is actually you can find talent here. So you can actually be hired through like the old site. So those are the two sites that I normally use. Latest and simply after. So let's go to like one of the best things to happen to me here. And I'm talking about Super Team Ad. So they actually have a lot of opportunities, and we can actually look into one. So since it's Nairobi and we know Nairobi does a lot of things from design, development, a little bit front end to design to like video editing. So let's check in design and see if is there any design gig now. So let's check. So look, there is UX UX UI design bounty for like a whole like super team. Super team is like a bunch of people in that do blockchain, and this is Super Team Nigeria, just our brothers here. And the most interesting one I wanted to us to look is this one. And yeah, so since I know like most of us are designers and devs, but look at this design. So this is like the budget is 100 to 300 USDC. I don't know, maybe it's 30 to 40. And look, so this is a sample. We are looking to join Web3 team as a brand designer, searching for blah blah. They give you like a simple prompt, a simple site that you can actually look. So they're looking for creative brand designer to join their team and help them build the whole brand. And since I'm pretty sure if you have done like DLP or AMP, you know more about like design and whatnot. So you can actually like pick this up, just go sign up and connect some of the things, and you're actually going to be like ready to earn. So just do do apply here, and I think it's going to take me to here. I don't want to like log in currently because some crazy ass thing. But yeah, you can actually like check it out, go and look. So the best thing that happened to me like after Bates is like I started to move towards like looking these small bounties, and they always aid you in staying afloat, and they aid you in creating like your own portfolio. It's really amazing because I've got like massive chances due to like doing this small like gigs and whatnot. Another thing, let's go to my guys who love like content and see, do we have like a simple one that we can do content? And yeah, so we have like a video creation where you can actually like create a whole video creation. Kairos terminal, this is just like a simple project in blockchain that does on engine analytics, real-time sentiments analytics. Okay, sorry, I won't go into like the deep analysis on that, but you see, let's go here and see what's needed. And does Nairobi provide this? See, so these are the two things. I know they don't do like Adobe Premiere Pro, but we have like simple experience in animations, illustrations, and softwares you can use After Effects. You see, all this actually like it gives you like a different edge, and you can actually like send your whole quotation. You just apply, and they'll give you like you can complete this in like let's say 5 days, because you need to like come up with a small thing. And yeah, this is like how they do the whole thing. I hope you guys like see how amazing this site is, and how like opportunities are all here. So that's the content part. And let's see my favorite part, the thing that makes me an art case development. And you know I love this. So this is actually like the best thing ever. And I'll say, yeah, you guys will be seeing this and say like maybe it's crazy, like crazy costs and whatnot. But yeah, so let's look. We have something interesting here, and this is from Super Team UK, currently UK, and they're having an interesting one here. We are creating a Telegram bot for the whole thing, the whole Super Team, and it's actually like simple to do this. And I'll say this because like Telegram with the bot, you just have to like call the resident bot person. I can't remember the name though, but yeah, you have to. Let me just Google that and let's see together. How to call the Telegram. I can't remember Telegram bot. Yeah, let's hope it will give us. I think I normally know the name, but now it's quite. I can't remember the name, but oh my god. Okay, but yeah, this is just a simple like idea. We can actually like search how to create a Telegram bot and try something from there. So this just shows that we need to like broaden our own skill set and stop thinking about like just working in Kenya and each and every time. And I have another one. I hope people are pumped for this. And this is like full stack developer. And let's see how interesting this is. So the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. And I believe when you're done with AMP, you know all this. The ones that I've highlighted, and yeah, Mongo. So just imagine how like you can do into like all this. This is some of the ways in which like most of us are staying afloat out here. And yeah, I can say like at least I've kept a hold on the threshold. And yeah, another interesting aspect I forgot to talk about is projects. And projects like actually like do a whole lot of different things. And yeah, actually my friend, this is my friend Harry actually. Yeah, cut off. So if someone like wants to try this social media intern, kindly apply and then ping me. I'll make sure you get an interview, and let's see how you guys gonna do. So anyone who wants to do this, because I have direct contact with him. He's one of the good guys, good friends of mine. Just apply and just ping me. I'll leave my socials around, and you can find me in the group. So yeah, we can see. And another thing I actually forgot. You can actually like apply for grants here, and you have like a whole idea. Unfortunately, mostly is in like Solana. That's what I represent. So if you want to like your idea funded, get funded, you just there's a lot of things here, and I won't get into them because it's a whole lot of things. But yeah, you can just check it out, and can you reach me out maybe on Telegram and whatnot, and I'll actually glad to aid you on that. So yeah, that's has been my simple talk, and I hope people got a simple gist of how Super Team Earn and how Super Team Earn brings your career to a different wavelength. So yeah, and I think I will actually appreciate if you guys offer me any questions, so that we can actually check it out and see if it's easy for you guys to start all this. Yeah, and sorry for my tabs. Yeah, currently working on many things, so the tabs have to be as crazy as possible. But yeah, this is the whole essence, and there are others where you can actually do gigs, different kind of gigs, and that is create memes. So yeah, it's a whole lot of things that's been coming out, and unfortunately, our brothers in Nigeria have been the ones who are doing crazy, and we're trying to build the whole community, Kenyan community, and yeah. So if you guys wanna reach out, just reach out, and yeah, I'll be of help and make sure you join the community and see how you can actually move from maybe zero to trying to earn crazy amounts. As you can see, let's say for example, let's take 500 USDC and see how much is it. So this is just like a motivator to cash. So this is normally like a motivator, but I'll check. It depends with the dollar rate though. So USDC is just like a coin mapped through the dollar. So yeah, I hope you guys are pumped. And oh yeah, okay, good question, good question. So I started out as someone who was doing more of, I can say, the JavaScript ecosystem. Since switching to doing Golang and Rust, I've been getting some good pets, and I can say example we can see into this. Mostly Solana is written in Rust, and you can get crazy gigs. But currently, trying to build on someone's idea, and yeah, I'll say it actually moves you crazy. You can actually have oh, okay. Let me see. Learning where to find gifts. Yeah. So as I was answering the question, and the most important thing about upscaling. Oh my God, I'm not on Facebook. Can you just type the chat on me? Yeah, can you type the chat, and yeah, I'll try to answer as possible. Okay, let me try. I'm not in Facebook. Sorry, guys. Yeah, but you have to be continuous learn. Otherwise, you're going to be told AI will take your job each and every time. Unfortunately, that's a lie. I don't think AI will take your job if you're not that crazy. So let me see if I can see some Facebook questions. But you can actually type your Facebook questions here because I'm not there. And yeah. Oh, okay. From a non-technical background. So, yeah, this is a question that I've received a lot. Okay, this is a question that I've received a lot. One thing I always say, there's actually more skills that you can actually move from that your non-technical backgrounds to like the technical backgrounds. Let's say, for example, you're moving from let's say finance. Finance is okay; it's quote unquote technical, but from finance, what can you pick from finance to tech? Let's say, for example, we can actually pick the mathematics part. Yeah, we can actually pick the mathematics part and move it to tech. We can actually pick uh, the resilience and how like you need to like structure things and move it to like tech. So you actually have to sit down for yourself and look into how different different things interconnect. All of it have a crazy interconnection. Okay, so okay, I'll say I'm not a master of that, but in transition sometimes I'm the kind of guy who has that vibes and inshallah mentality because uh, but another thing on transitions, you need to just believe in yourself while doing that because sometimes you just hit rock bottom as always while moving to a different thing. You don't know how things are working on it. You don't know how like different things are being moved. So yeah, you should just have like that childlike mentality when transitioning within tech. So just always learn and learn, learn and learn, learn and learn. Yeah, good questions though. So yeah, okay. But yeah, that's the simple thing that I was talking about. But so yeah, let me see. Okay. Oh, okay. I think Victor never missed anything that much. Just yeah. So that's just my own thing, and yeah, you guys can ask us many questions. Okay, interesting. So what's blockchain engineering? Okay, interesting. So best thing about explaining what blockchain is, we normally use this engineering. Okay, I hope it brings me that. Okay, no, images. So okay, cool. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, so yeah, this is a perfect example. So what's blockchain? And the best thing I'll actually okay. Oh my god, where is that? Okay. So what's blockchain engineering? And if you have done any type of engineering, you're actually not far off doing blockchain engineering. And so blockchain is quite different because all the data we are storing, it's not on a single central server. It's not on a single place. It's distributed along the whole world. So, for example, here, I'm actually here in Kenya, and someone else is running a node. Let's say, for example, in Nigeria, another person is running the node. Let's say Argentina. Yeah, that's like whole concept of blockchain. So every data is moving to different things. And to answer that question, smell both blockchain is. To answer that question, it's actually a digital ledger that stores things, digital ledger that stores data, and this data cannot be changed by anyone. That's what blockchain engineering is. And okay, can share that singularly impacted. Can I share or you share? Okay. Okay, it depends. If it's mine, what changed? Hey, I think she can type. She can type. Okay. So, what skills and certifications do one requires? Okay, you don't need certifications. You just need to be like consistent. And I always say this: you can go like 2 3 years without like getting a job, but when you get it, it blows you up. It moves you from like zero to like let's say 100 or something. Best thing is always keep yourself like have people that are actually going to like make you be challenged and always be building. Just build each and every time. Just build. That's like the only secret I can say. Just continue building, network with people, showcase people what you're building online, or when you meet with people, and that's how like you get to like these processes and these like parts of the world. Yeah, I think Charlene, you can share your story. Yeah, those are some of the things, and blockchain engineering has like, is it? Yeah, I can say it has like 5 concepts, and this has the security side of it, where we do cryptography. Cryptography, it's used to like secure keys, public and private keys. These are used to like sign in. Let's say, for example, mostly people normally sign into like Google, but how you sign in, you don't know how they sign it, but it uses cryptography. Yeah, it uses like there's a public key and a private key, but Google stores for you, so you don't know how like you do that. And it is computer programming. It has like some elements of data structures. I think maybe people who have done programming will know about it. It has like the whole architecture, and there's this part smart contracts, and this makes or breaks the whole like blockchain. So if you go into smart contracts, you can actually create smart contracts at self executing like code. Yeah, that's what I can say there. Yeah, I know that will be the question, but yeah. So that has been like a simple thing that I've been doing, and if you guys feel like you're going to be doing a whole lot on that, and yeah. So Super Team Man is your place, and look for. Oh, okay. Good question. Okay. Oh, nice. I'll answer that. So my thoughts on the future of blockchain technology. Blockchain is still young. I'll say I'll say still a gray area from what I know, but it's holding a lot of weight into like finance. It's going to fight a lot of currencies and make sure currencies stay afloat as as possible. You can see how like USDC works, how USDT works. It can actually like it has like a good feature into science, because for you to like create science papers, you take a lot of time. You can actually look into DESI, decentralized science. Uh, yeah, so it has like a broad future. If you want to do it kindly like get into it, and yeah, I'll glad to like lead you through the way. Okay. Oh, okay. So let me share private career experience. I think what like it gave me like career experience. I think I'll say Nairobi's, because okay, sure. Okay, so I'll say Nairobi's like changed my view. I used to be technically well, but I wasn't that let's say that social and that person who is going to share like the things that I do. Yeah, that's like what uh changed me. Oh, and so okay, I'll say this to distinguish yourself. Okay, I'll say it's not a crowded job market, it's lack of skill. So just skill up, and believe me, they always look out. They look out for you. They'll find you. And another thing, always build in public. If you're starting out, I prefer you build in public. Always show. Okay, let's say example LinkedIn. Post what you're doing. Give people like a sneak peek of what you're doing. Uh, give us the links and whatnot. Yeah, you can actually distinguish yourself using just that. Yeah, I'll take other questions, or if you guys are cool, then yeah. So So those are my small insights that I've actually gained. Yeah. And another thing, there's a lot to be done still in like tech. So you don't necessarily have to like do development and web development. Okay, yeah, yeah, good question. So, what role does networking and building industry connection play? Oh my God, this is actually the biggest part I've seen people mess up, and I'll say this, and I'll say it in my chest. Uh, you actually move one step near to get hired. So if you network, let's say for example, I'm looking for someone who can do web development. I just look for someone who I know, and I refer them. Uh, when you're referred, it's easier for you to like get the job than when you are just blindly like doing it. So just network, connect with people, show people what you're doing, and you'll actually advance fast in like 2 3 years than let's say the person who raw dogs it. But I'll say there's no formula though. So yeah, cool. I hope I answered you. So oh my, yeah, okay. So a big reason why I'm using my pseudocode, I think, is the overall well-known name all over the world in the blockchain space. So I prefer using that, and I use a different. I normally use my NFT as my like let's say avatar. So yeah, I just love it because it brings a different perspective to who like Morris is. So that case is a different human being than Morris. It has a crazy impact because when I say that case, I always get interviews. Yeah, that's for fun purposes though. Yeah, that has been like my TED talk, quote unquote. And yeah, I hope to see like most guys from my bits doing Super Team Arm. And yeah, I hope you guys like enjoy this blockchain of ours. Yeah, that's been like that has been my thing, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it though. Yeah, I hope I wasn't like wobbling all the time. Yeah, it was quite a good thing. It's a good talk though. I enjoyed it. Although I feel like I'm talking you see through like uh, a brick wall. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, I'm actually done, and so okay, okay. Okay, how you can reach me? I think X. Uh, X is the easiest way. Uh, let me just show people my username. X is the easiest way because I don't answer emails. So just not 3 Ks as X. Okay, I hope it has loaded. So this one. So this not 3Ks at X. Just tag me or DM me. I'll answer you. So not 3Ks X or maybe my number, but I know my number. I don't like. I don't answer sometimes quite as fast as possible as X. And yeah, I really so I really like you guys to like always be on the lookout for more engagement with our able alumni and just enjoy your life, man. It's here for us. And yeah, as the famous John used to say, adios. And yep, I think I'm done.
Thank you, Morris, for sharing your invaluable insights and experiences with us today. Your guidance on navigating a successful career in tech has really been incredible and inspiring. We appreciate your time and dedication to mentoring the next generation of tech professionals, of course, in BITS and other institutions. Guys, let's give Morris another round of applause for this fantastic presentation. And thank you all for attending. And we look forward to see you in our next event. Yeah, thank you once more.